Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more Shopify tutorials, customization tips, and e-commerce growth strategies. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store by modifying your website's footer. We'll be guiding you through some simple steps to alter the Powered by Shopify message, which can help you better personalize your site. This is a small but powerful branding adjustment. Removing or replacing the default Shopify tagline gives your store a more professional and unique look that reflects your brand identity instead of a generic platform label. So let's dive right in and make these adjustments so your online store can truly reflect your brand. To begin, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're comfortably settled into your dashboard, look towards the sidebar menu and find the Online Store option. Clicking on this will unfold a series of options, which is your gateway to modifying the appearance and functionality of your site. Next, you will see a Customize button. Go ahead and click that, as it will direct you to the Theme Customizer. This tool is Shopify's powerful feature that enables you to change the look and feel of your store without needing to code. It's right here where you can experiment with colors, layouts, and fonts, giving your website the exact tone you're aiming for, whether that's minimalist and clean, bold and modern, or warm and handcrafted. If you're using a free Shopify theme like Dawn or Craft, the customization process may look slightly different. Always check your theme version in the top bar before making big changes, so you know exactly where to look for specific settings. Now, while still viewing the Theme Customizer, proceed to click on Settings. This is where you'll be able to configure various site options and styles, personalizing everything from typography to more advanced features. As we're focusing on the footer today, scroll down to find the footer settings in this section. In these settings, you might notice the Powered by Shopify text displayed in the footer of your theme. This is a default message that appears across many Shopify stores, but the good news is that it can be customized to feature a more personal touch. Instead of simply removing it, you could also replace it with your own brand message, such as Copyright 2025 Your Store Name, or Designed with Love by Your Brand. This small detail can subtly reinforce your branding across your site. Within the settings, look for the Show Powered by Shopify toggle. You'll notice this toggle is enabled by default, so you'll need to click on it to turn it off. This action will remove the default branding message from your store's footer. You can also use the Edit Code option under Actions 20 Edit Code if you want to go a step further and add custom HTML, for example, inserting links to your privacy policy or custom copyright text. To ensure your changes look great across different devices, you should also enable Desktop Preview mode. This allows you to see how your site appears on desktop devices, ensuring the overall aesthetic carries through no matter how customers are viewing your store. If you want to go the extra mile, also check Mobile Preview mode, since over half of Shopify traffic typically comes from mobile devices. It's crucial to take a moment here to check that everything is aligned perfectly and that the theme transitions seamlessly on different screen sizes. Make sure any logos or custom text you add in your footer scale properly for mobile view. Nothing looks worse than an overlapping or cut-off footer element. To wrap things up, make sure that all the changes you've made are saved. The last thing you'd want is for all your hard work to disappear after navigating away from the page. Click that Save button on the top right. Always double-check it turns gray to confirm your changes have been applied. And there you have it. You've just customized your Shopify store by removing the default Powered by Shopify message from your footer. And there you have it, understands the idea. And this time, even worse, click that Save button on the top right. This small change can make a big difference in how your brand is perceived online, offering a more professional, polished impression to visitors. If you'd like to go a step further, you can also customize your footer with your logo or brand icon. Navigation links like contact, FAQs, or privacy policy, social media icons to build engagement, or even a newsletter sign-up to capture leads directly from the footer. Branding consistency is key. Even the smallest customization, like this footer edit, adds to your store's authenticity and helps you stand out in a competitive e-commerce space. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what Shopify customization you'd like me to cover next.